have about you just because you have a famous parent or misconception na gusto niyong itama?
Na we get everything we want. Because we really don't.
Ano yung isang bagay na sige lang, mag-share ka kahit isa lang. May isang bagay ka bang gusto sana makuha pero hindi mo nakuha?
Isang napit. Sa bagay na
Habang iniisip mo yan, sige, dito muna tayo kay Wong. Kasi medyo mahirap nga namang sagutin yun.
It's like,
Misconception.
I don't know, there's a misconception about Nepotism for it being bad. And while there are people in this world who have gotten their place from an unjust position, it's unfair for people like me that, when our yung mga kamag-anak namin, they got it through through the right way. They got it justly. And like, there's a misconception about the word Nepo baby tulad ng sinabi ni ate kanina na being a Nepo baby is bad. And sa akin, totoo na Nepo baby ako. Totoo na, my family's influential in a way. But that doesn't mean it's bad. I got bashed for being a Nepo baby when it didn't even have an effect on me as a person. Like, that's true, I grew up that way, but I just want to clear it out that it's not bad. Nagkataon lang na I grew up that way, and I grew up with those parents, but it's not bad. It's really not bad. It's bad if it's, if they got what they got from corruption or from those bad ways, which my family was never involved in politics in the first place. So, it's bad when it's like that, but it's not bad when they were.
Kasi nga dun na ko-connect usually yung term na Nepo baby.
Yes.
Especially last year, di ba? Pag sinabing Nepo baby, anak ng mga korakot, gano'n. Pero may iba pong meaning din naman. Meron din mga Nepo baby na hindi naman anak ng mga korap. Oo, nagkataon lang, di ba? At hindi rin nila kasalanan na yun yung parents nila, dun sila lumaki. So may kinds. Let's categorize yung Nepo baby na term. Okay. And Lala, going back to you, meron ka na pa naisip na. Kasi you said, isa sa misconceptions about Nepo babies, may parang nakukuha niyo lahat ng gusto niyo. Pero actually, hindi naman.
Ako po, siguro, yung kagustuhan ko sa natin ng PBB. Yung gusto ko talaga magsimula from the bottom at paghirapan yun. At gusto ko din talaga makilala ako ng mga tao. Sino ako? Hindi lang si Carmela, pag sino si Lena. Yun po talaga para, it's a good stepping stone and possible. Ang dream ko po talaga yung maging isang mahusay na actress. So, paano ako magsisimula? So, I had to do something. I had to get out of my comfort zone and push my limits and I had to push my limits to be able to reach my full potential. So, ang pagpasok po ng PBB for me, that's a really big step po talaga for me. Kasi kilala niyo po ako outside, sobrang mayayain lang po talaga. It's not something na papasukin ko po, but I still did for my dreams. Para sa pangarap ko.
Yes. So, akala ng lahat, misconception is, kapag Nepo baby, gusto mo maging sikat na artista, magaling na actress, makukuha mo agad. Pero, ikaw, you proved na, hindi, dadaan ako sa tamang proseso, gagawin ko yung ginagawa rin ng ibang mga big stars ngayon, di ba? Nagsimula na naman sila sa PBB, from nothing. And ngayon nga, andun ka na, you're on the path to achieving your dreams or reaching for your dreams. Okay, now let's go to our next